To make changes to a Parker's account and change contact information, account status, invoice delivery, payment method, and other information, navigate to the Parker's menu, and then search for the Parker's record that you wish to work with. Then click the Edit link. Here you can make any changes to the Parker's account record. Please note that all fields in blue text on this screen are mandatory. This is helpful to keep in mind if you are working with a Parker's record that was imported from another system. If any of these fields were blank during the import, they will need to be populated for you to be able to save your changes once you open this screen. Once you've completed changes, click Update to save them.